Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are getting into one of the coolest features in all of Claude, and that is artifacts. This is a feature that turns Claude from something that just talks to you into something that actually builds things for you. Real working tools, web pages, documents, even little apps right inside your chat. And by the end of this video, you will have built your very first one from scratch. Trust me, this is the video that makes Claude click for a lot of people. Let's get into it. So first, what is an artifact? Normally when you ask Claude something, it just types a reply in the chat, but sometimes you want more than text. You want an actual thing, a document you can read and download, a web page, a calculator, a tracker, or a diagram. When you ask for something like that, Claude opens up a separate panel on the right side of your screen and builds it there, live while you watch. That is an artifact. The chat stays on the left and your creation sits on the right, where you can see it, use it, and keep improving it. Let me show you exactly how to make one. Quick first step. Let's make sure the feature is switched on. Click your profile icon in the bottom left. Go to Settings and go to Capabilities. Make sure the artifact is toggled on. For most accounts, it's already on by default, so you might not need to do anything. But it's worth a quick check so you are ready. Good news, by the way, artifacts work on every plan, including free, so everyone can follow along. Okay, let's build something. The amazing part is you don't need to know any code. You literally just describe what you want in plain language. So let's start simple. In a new chat, I'm going to type, build me a simple daily to-do list app where I can add tasks and check them off. And hit enter. Now watch the right side of the screen. Claude is building it live, and there it is. A working to-do list. I can type a task, add it, and check it off. So it actually works. You just built your first app and you didn't write a single line of code. Amazing, right? And it's not just apps. You can ask for all kinds of artifacts. A styled web page or formatted document like a report, a diagram or flowchart, a budget tracker, even a little game. If you can describe it, Claude can usually build it as an artifact. Now here's where it gets really powerful. You don't have to get it perfect the first time. You just talk to Claude to change it. So let me say, add a dark theme, and let me set a priority for each task. And watch, Claude updates the artifact right in front of you. No starting over, it just edits the same thing. Claude keeps every version. So if you liked an earlier version better, nothing gets lost. Just keep describing changes until it's exactly what you want. Once you're happy with it, you have got options up in the top corner of Artifact panel. You can copy it to paste somewhere else or download it to save the file to your computer. So whatever you build, you can actually take it with you and use it for real. Now the really fun part, you can share what you built with anyone. Make sure you're on the version you want and then click the publish button. Claude gives you a public link and you just copy it and send it to whoever you want. And here's the cool bit. The person you send it to doesn't need a Claude account to open it and use it. They can just click the link and it works. So you could build a little tool and share it with your friends, family, your audience, and anyone. Quick note on wording. On the free, pro, and max plans, this is called publishing and it's a public link. On the team and enterprise plan, it's called sharing and it stays inside your organization. And if you ever change your mind, you can always go back and unpublish it. And just so you know how far this goes, artifacts have gotten really advanced. You can now build ones that save your data so it's still there when you come back. Ones that pull in live up-to-date information, and even AI-powered artifacts that have Claude's intelligence built right into them. We will explore some of that in a future video, but for now, you have got the foundation. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, be clear in your description. The better you describe what you want, the better your first artifacts comes out. Second, don't aim for a perfect on the first try. Build something rough, then just ask Claude to improve it step by step. Third, use the version arrows. If a change makes it worse, jump back to the version you liked. Fourth, download anything you want to keep so you always have your own copy. And that's it. You just built, edited, and shared your first Claude artifact. You now know what artifacts are, how to create one just by describing it, how to keep improving it, and how to publish it for the whole world to use. This is genuinely one of the most powerful things Claude can do, so play around with it, try building a tool you would actually use. In the next video, we will keep going. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped, leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye-bye.